right back with another video. So might make this kind of a monthly thing or a weekly thing depending on how much stuff that I'm getting, but I end up picking up a bunch of stuff. Now this is not all of it, but some of it. Picked up this little sliding bevel thing from Sydney Tools. It was a couple of dollars. Didn't really need it, but I figured it might come in handy. A few little Sid Chrome scrapers. I would have preferred them in the red, but they just sent me the Aussie colours, which is fine. Pack of razor blades, single edge. This was an eBay purchase, just one of those little butane adapters. I figured if I ever needed to heat up some aluminium, I needed to braise some with some rods that I've got. That'll come in handy. Another little blowtorch. No gas in anything, so bought a few packs of these, just these disposable razor blades, and they come out there. So just pull it out, grab it. Picked up a bunch of these flat discs. These are the 125mm version, 80 grit. I think I bought a 50 pack actually, so I bought 50 of them. Focus. A few little just on and off switches, little toggle switches, eBay, and then a few little just kind of button switches that you've got to hold down. And the reason I bought these is if I ever motorised that bender, that sheet metal slip roller that I'm building, I would have just a little handle and I'd push the button down just to kind of obviously move the, I'm not going to say wheels, but I guess, metal rollers. So, yeah, and I'm picking up a few little goodies here and there. If it gets enough views and people have got enough interest, I've always got enough stuff coming in. Just like that. That was another little kind of eBay, quick purchase, not from eBay, but just a little hammer. Apparently if they sit like that, apparently that's a pretty good weight distribution, so yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, if they get enough views and people are into it, I'll probably do like a weekly little kind of tool haul where I show people what I've been buying, because if anyone knows me, I pretty much buy around the clock, to be honest. So